Man, Tails, don't you just love relaxing? Not really. Why? I have work to do. You're just a bummer. Well, fine. If I'm such a bummer, then I'm leaving. Aw. Meh, might as well go inside. Oh my gosh! Oh, hey Sonic. I just decided I got a whole bunch of devastating monster robot sword things. That's great, little buddy, but, oh my gosh, that's a lot of them. Oh geez, one's coming alive, isn't it? No, that's just perspective. Oh, okay. There! No, never mind. It turned off, so you don't have to worry. Yeah, I don't think they're turned off, Tails. They are coming alive, and I'm out of here. Run, Tails, run, Tails, run! Oh, oh my gosh. No, don't grab me again. Not again, not again, not again. Tails, where did you buy these from? I bought them for Mega Man. Ow, 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 ow. I'm sorry, Sonic. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, yes, now. You learned your ow lesson. Ow. Even the creator's having trouble getting out of this. We're free. Now time to end this. Suck on exercise, you buttholes. We're dying. Honestly, this is kind of stupid, you know. We just want to come for food, but now we're just gonna leave. Yeah, you see it. See you later. I guess you could say that was a little wormy. Yeah, you know what? Forget that. Forget the joke. Come on, Tails, let's go home. You're holding me by the butt. No, der.